Yo guys, this is BIONT, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make tech house in the style of Biscits. In particular, we're going to remake his track Don't You Know. This is how it sounds if you haven't checked it out yet. Before starting with the video though, don't forget to do all that good stuff to support these free FLPs. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you got any suggestions for future videos. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the video. As always guys, let's get started with the drums. Now we're adding another layer to reinforce the click of the kick. Alright guys, so now let's move to the claps. Let's see how they sound. Let's add another layer. Now we're adding another layer to reinforce the tail of the clap. And this is how it sounds alone. Cool guys, so now let's move to the open heads. Let's see how they sound. Now let's add another layer. Alright guys, so now let's add some closed heads. Let's see how they sound. Now let's hear them alone. We have 3 layers, let's hear them one by one. Alright guys, so now let's add the rides. Let's see how they sound alone. Actually, in order to make these samples, I just drowned in reverb a few layers of rides. In order to finish off the drums, we're now just adding some small fills here and there. Let's hear how they sound. And now guys, let's hear the drums all together. Alright guys, so now let's move to my favorite part of this track, which is the bass. Let's hear how it sounds. Now guys, let's hear it alone. Pretty simple, yet very punchy and effective. It is made of 2 layers, let's hear them one by one. This is the main layer. And this is just a simple sub bass. Now guys, let's add the other main element of this track, which is obviously the brass. Let's hear how it sounds alone. In this case, I remade this sound using 4 layers. Let's hear them one by one. We have a high brass sound. We have the main brass layer. We have the lower layer. And then we just have this trumpet kind of layer. Cool guys, so now let's move to the first lead effects. Let's hear how it sounds alone. This sound is actually a super simple serum patch, but we're just automating a lot of things, like the first LFO rate, the width of the sound, the wetness of the sound, and also the second LFO rate. So let's hear it sounds this sound with and without the automations. Alright guys, so now let's hear the other synthesized sound, which is this zappy kind of thing. So let's hear it sounds alone. Once again, just a very simple serum patch. Now guys, let's finish off the project with some effects. Let's hear the sound alone. We have the first one, which is just the simple white noise shots. Then we have these laser shots. And we're finishing off with this crash fill. As always guys, for the final step, let's just slap some effects on the master channel. Alright guys, so now we're finally done also with this video. As always, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get this FLP completely for free. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the final result.
Don't you don't have to rude. You don't